Soyez le bienvenu, mabuhay! Ready for the next topic? Did you know that not all verbs follow the same rules? Now you're going to meet, let's have the adventure to meet all the troisième group, and they are called irregular verbs or le verbe irrégulier. Did you know that they are everywhere? They are super useful and we must learn them. Are you ready? So let's go. What are these verbs, irregular verbs that belong to troisième group? Okay. First, we did the premier group. Ginawa po natin yung first premier group na nagtatapos ng UR. Okay? Example, parler, marcher. And then we had the deuxième group na nagtatapos ng ER, IR. At ang termination, yung dulo po ay nag-iisong tayo, isong, pinisong. And now, the troisième group are called irrégulier, verb irrégulier, kasi irregular sila because they don't follow the same rules. Okay? They have their own rules. Okay? Donc, pas en OR, hindi sila OR, not ER. They don't finish by ison, ido, ses, ones, hindi yun. Okay? And they have the different form of conjugation. Okay? Iba-iba po sila. They don't have pattern. Okay? They are irregular when it comes to form and the conjugation. Okay, are you ready to discover all of them? Okay, just continue listening. Merci beaucoup. À tout à l'heure. Okay, qu'est-ce que c'est qu'un verbe régulier? Okay, what is a regular verb? Okay. Un verbe régulier ne suit pas une règle fixe de conjugaison. Okay. Un verbe irrégulier ne suit pas une règle fixe de conjugaison. Ang verb, irregular verb, ay walang iisang tuntunin. Okay? Regular does not follow one rule. Okay, like what? Example, we have the verb et. Verb et is to be. Okay? Maging. Example, je suis étudiant. If I am a woman, je suis étudiante. Okay? Estudyante ako. I'm a student. Then we have avoir. Avoir is to have. Magkaroon. Okay? J'ai 20 ans, but avoir we use it for age and has or have. Okay? Remember, if you remember, last time I already tackled the et et avoir because these two verbs are very important. Okay? So verb et et verb avoir. Okay? So they belong to irregular verb or verbe irrégulier. Got them? Répétez s'il vous plaît. Verbe être et verbe avoir. Got them? Merci. So let's continue. On continue, okay? Pour le verbe, troisième groupe, irregular verb, verbe irrégulier. Numéro 3, we have aller. It's not aller, okay? Aller. Aller is to go or pumunta. Example, je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école. I'm going to school. Pupunta ako sa paaralan, okay? Je vais à l'école. Next, numéro 4. Faire. Faire. Faire is to do or to make. Gawin, okay? Anong gagawin ko, okay? Gawin. Example, je fais du sport. Je fais du sport. Okay, nag-exercisyo ako. I do sports, okay? Nag-exercisyo ako o I do sports. Okay, next we have venir. Venir means to come. Venir to come, dumating. Example, il vient ici. Il vient ici. Okay? He comes here. Dumarating siya dito. Okay? And numero 6, partir. Partir. Partir is to leave. Partir, umalis. Okay? Je pars à 8 heures. Je pars à 8 heures. Pars. On ne prononce pas le S, N-R. Je pars à 8 heures. I'm leaving at 8 a.m., okay? Alis ako, 8 a.m. ang alis ko. Okay? Alas 8 ang alis ko. Okay? Répétez s'il vous plaît. Aller. Aller is to go. Faire is to do or make. Venir is to come. Et partir is to leave or umalis. Got them all? Merci. So let's continue with numéro 7. 7. Le verbe prendre. Prendre. Okay? Prendre means to take or kumuha. Example. Je prends le bus. Je prends le bus. On ne prononce pas le DAS. Je prends le bus. I take the bus. Okay? Sumasakay ako ng bus. Okay? Next. With pouvoir. Pouvoir. Okay? Pouvoir is I can o maaari. You can do it. Example. Je peux aider. Je peux aider. I can help. Makakatulong ako. Okay? Peux. Je peux aider. Pouvoir. 9. Vouloir. Vouloir. Vouloir means to want or gusto mo. Example. Je veux manger. Je veux manger. Gusto kong kumain. I want to eat. Vouloir is want. Next. Devoir. Devoir is a must. Example, kailangan na kailangan mo. Je dois travailler. I must work. Okay? Kailangan ko magtrabaho to live. Okay? To survive, for example. Okay? So let's repeat. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Prendre is to take. Pouvoir is I can, you can. Kaya, maaari. Next, vouloir is want or gusto. Et devoir is I must, kailangan. Okay? Got them all? Merci. Regardez les points. Okay? Numéro 11. Regardez. Je vais. Verbe aller. Tu vas. Donc, pas de terminaison fixe. Many endings. They have different endings. Okay? Je vais, tu vas, il va. Okay? Next. That is the verb aller. We conjugate that later. And then, you need to learn apprendre par cœur. Apprendre par cœur. Learn by heart. Example, le verbe être et le verbe avoir, because these are very important. Apprendre par cœur. Cœur is heart. If you still remember the parts of the body. Okay? Cœur. And verbs aller et faire are very common. That means they are verbs très fréquents. Très fréquents. It means they are very common verbs that we use every time. Je vais aller à l'école. Je vais travailler. Okay? Je vais. Je fais mon travail. Je travaille, je fais mon travail, par exemple. Okay? So, please memorize them by heart, learn by heart, apprendre par cœur with this, and we are going to conjugate later. Okay? So, please don't forget them. The verb, troisième groupe, irregular verb, verb irrégulier. At sana po wag nyo rin akong ikalimutang i-like, subscribe, at i-comment po for the next topic. Merci beaucoup. À demain peut-être. Au revoir tout le monde.